Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 12th of May, 2025, our system has identified SoundHound AI as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.99. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.27%. This equates to an average return of 1.14% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential negative change of approximately 9.61% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 46.2% to negative 9.61%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 49.21%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 6.78% to 266.18% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $12.02 and $41.23. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for SoundHound AI Incorporated as Stock Downgraded to Buy Candidate. The SoundHound AI stock price gained 2.27% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, rising from $11.01 to $11.26. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated by 5.89%, with a day low of $10.95 and a day high of $11.60. The price has shown volatility during this period, resulting in an 18.9% gain over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell by 40 million shares on the last day, with a total of 51 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $574,001,000. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence, potentially serving as an early warning of upcoming changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $24.98, while the lowest price was $3.82. Currently, the price is 54.92%, or $13.72, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, trading under the ticker SOUN, is making headlines today for several reasons that could significantly influence its stock price. First, the firm is actively participating in the upcoming National Restaurant Association show, showcasing its advanced voice AI solutions. This visibility may enhance investor confidence and expand market reach, potentially boosting revenues in the short term. However, there's a contrasting backdrop, as 2 class action lawsuits have been filed against the company, stemming from alleged securities fraud. These legal challenges could create volatility and downward pressure on the stock in the near term, especially as the deadline for investors to join the suit approaches on the 27th of May, 2025. Investors might be wary of financial implications associated with these lawsuits, which could lead to uncertainty in trading patterns. Despite these challenges, analysts are noting that SoundHound AI's rapid revenue growth and absence of debt signals strong fundamentals, suggesting a bullish, longer-term outlook. If the company successfully navigates these legal issues and continues to innovate, it might create substantial value for investors over time. Overall, the combination of potential growth from upcoming product showcases and the risks associated with litigation presents a complex scenario to SOUN stock performance in both the short and long run. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a grade of underperform with a recommendation to hold. On the same day, it was also reported that Wedbush rated SOUN as buy with a hold recommendation. Again, on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a grade of buy with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, Wedbush gave SOUN a rating of outperform with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald rated SOUN as overweight with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. The chart shows predominantly positive signals today. The stock of SoundHound AI Inc. presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $9.78 and $8.81. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 56.82%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence or MACD. It's worth noting that volume declined during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it's advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 25 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 16 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 62 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 48 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $11.01. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, resulting in high volatility. With a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 645 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, which is a change of 5.89%. For the past week, the stock has averaged daily volatility of 8.80%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to external factors. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may point to inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI stands at $11.44. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an opportune moment for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI faces its first support level at $11.01. If this support level remains intact, it might present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of March, 2025, Hom James Ming executed an insider sale of 28,388 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, Hom James Ming executed another insider sale of 51,196 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Mohajer Kevin conducted an insider sale of 118,605 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, Mohajer Kevin conducted another insider sale of 138,895 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Sharon Nitesh executed an insider sale of 48,639 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 10.677. In summary, insiders purchased 6,311,191 shares and sold 6,944,269 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.92, reflecting a decline of 3.06%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. A buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 24 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? Several short-term signals appear positive. Despite the stock being in a downward trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stop from a strong buy to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 14th of May, we anticipate SoundHound AI to open higher by approximately 0.8 of a cent and begin trading at $11.27. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.